Hi all, welcome to our video regarding fixing the LG refrigerator. I'll just explain the issue briefly. There was a power fluctuation and the power went down for a few minutes, came back up, everything was up, but this fridge after that stopped cooling, number one. Number two, it has this clicking sound coming from the behind. So first of all, I'm going to show you which model is it. Can you just get the model? It's a refrigerator. You can get that, and come at the back. You can. So this is the back of the fridge. The condenser is over there. This is where the circuit boards, PCB boards are. So this is a circuit board where we are seeing, hearing the clicking noise, right? Can you come closer? This is a separate PCB board, it's called, and since the power fluctuation, this is doing a clicking sound. Not this one. There's two boards here. The bigger one is not. The smaller one is. The model. What you would do is, because it's clicking, it says that it's maybe fried up. Circuits are bad. So I ordered a new one. The model number is shown here on the PCB board. I can put it in my video what is this model number, but you can get the model number here in order to part. Amazon has it, Sears has it, basically. So in the next section we will try to replace this board. Here's the part we ordered. You saw the PCB circuit board, and we're just going to open it. That's the part number, but this is for this refrigerator. But of course you have to match your own parts. That's the same PCB board which we saw at the back of the refrigerator. Now we're going to replace it. Let's go. So there were three plug wires connected here. I just took it off 1, 2, 3. Basically they're easy to match, and then the board will come out. So you have 3 cables plugged in here. Of course, because you have to remove the board, you take off 1, 2, 3 these cables and then try to get the board out. So we're just going to put it here and try to go out. The old board is going out, and we will put the new board in a similar way, which we tried to put the other. So our new board is in. It's just a clip-ons on the side. You can just push it back and take the board out, and then you insert the new board. So basically it's not plugged in. Make sure the power source is not plugged in when you're doing all this activity. So I'm connecting all the wires like this. You can see that, right? That's good. So now we have replaced the board. It's pretty simple. Our new board is replaced. So all you do is just use your Phillips screwdriver to put all the nuts, screws back in, and then power up the refrigerator, and it will be all good.